Hi, today we are making Matar ka nimona or green peas curry, and for that we need green peas, ginger garlic paste, onion, tomatoes, potatoes, and some moong dal vadi. Let's go ahead and start by cooking the moong dal vadi first. We're gonna cook it or roast it till they're golden brown and then remove it from the pan. Now we're gonna go ahead and churn the green peas to a granular paste and then go ahead and cook it in some oil. We're gonna keep cooking it till 2 to 3 minutes till the peas leave the rawness and then remove it from the pan and keep it aside in a bowl. In the same pan, we're gonna heat some more oil and add the potatoes and saute it till they're slightly golden and then remove the potatoes too. In the same pan, add more oil, add the ginger garlic paste and start sauteing it. Then add the onions. Saute it till they're pink in color. They leave a little bit of water. And then we're going to go ahead and add the masala. We're going to add turmeric powder, salt, and chili. And go ahead and saute everything again. Now add the tomatoes and saute it for another minute till the oil leaves the side. Now add the coriander powder, the garam masala, and saute it. Now add the cooked moong dal vadi and aloo mixture. And now add the sauteed peas mixture, and then let's go ahead and cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes till they're well combined. Now add water to this mixture and cook it according to the utensil you're using. The details are on my website. I'm using a pressure pan, so I'm going to cook it till 2 whistles. Once it's cooked, I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to a serving bowl and add some freshly chopped cilantro on top and squeeze some lemon juice on it. You can find the recipe at www.easycookingwithmolly.com. Thank you.